Before going further, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Sokhib, and I was born at Pasuruan at January 10, 1995. So my age is 23 years. My strongness is about skill of leadership, communication, and being certified for some software like Microsoft Office, AutoCAD Inventor, and ANSYS. How about my weakness? Actually, I'm not focusing about my weakness, but I will try to develop my tolerance to my team decreasing performance, but later, I will observe what is the cause of the problem. Then, I will try to increasing the team performance to finish the job before the deadline. There are many activities that I do as college student. Besides studying so many subjects, I join with 3 organizations. The first is in Islamic Forum of Mechanical Engineering, serve as a leader of Human Resource Development Department, and second is in Graduate Scout, serve as a teacher who teach a basic scout, and the last one is in Internal Organization of Mechanical Engineering, serve as a scientific staff. For achievement, in Graduate Scout, I have ever served as a functional leader of Latgabnas in Bandung, and for committee's experience, I give contribution at contest of energy efficient car, serve as official staff, and the last one is leading committee in Diksar Pram certified. Reason for joining AFGP, I want to give best contribution to allocate energy and resources for the welfare and advancement of Indonesia. Reason for accept me to join AFGP, with my experience in organization, companies and committees, I think I'm very sure and believe that I can survive and develop at AFGP for the welfare and grow up of Indonesian people.